Hey everybody, quick video today. I just wanted to kind of have a fun little create and play with this little digital kit right here. There's some little pockets and numbers and words and a bunch of little tags and labels and things like that. Anyway, so this is what it looked like, and I've gone ahead and done some prep so you don't have to watch all the inking and cutting. But I just wanted to make a page like I would just for a journal. Normally my journals would be all assembled, but it's easier to show you what I'm doing if I just do it on a paper. So this is avocado dyed. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a beautiful color, just a light pink. So that's going to be my basis. And I put together the two little pockets that come with it. And I'm going to go ahead and just get those glued together for you. And we'll go from there. So these have little tabs on them, so you can just fold everything in place, ink it, and then glue it, and you'll have this wonderful little pocket. I like to do it this way sometimes because then you can use back here as a tuck as well if you wanted to. So today I don't think I'm going to with the style of spread I'm doing, but that's one of the reasons why it's nice to have a back to your little pockets sometimes. So here's the other little one. And I'll just put that together so it can be drying. At my house we're in the middle of redoing our entire floor. So we've been living in chaos, but we're almost done and I can't wait for the end results. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, so lots of my stuff is out of place and it's tough, but it's gonna be awesome. All right, I just wanted to add some layering here. So I made this little guy. And I thought it'd be fun to leave a little place for a few extra little tucks. So I'm not gluing in the center, so then I can use that as a little pocket. And you can see I used my tear ruler right here. And then I left that open right there so we can put a few fun little labels in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put, maybe I'll put my pockets down next. All right, let's put these down. Now, if you wanted, you could leave part of it open and use this as a tuck too. But I think with the setup of this, I'm not going to do that today. So, but just so you know, you got options. I'm just kind of playing with it and seeing what I think looks nice. I don't actually have a very set plan today. I'm just kind of going for it. So, oh, my friends just showed up. This is fun. All right, I'm going to go ahead and attach these little labels. And we've got little words on there. We'll put those on. You guys are going to hear what my real life is like in the background. Our friends just showed up. So I'll finish this video and then go say hi to them. But this is a super easy project. I love how fast this is coming together. And we'll just put that other word right there. I'm going to add some lace to the front. Now I'm all nervous because my friends are listening to me talk to myself. Hello, friends. They're practically like family. They won't care if I talk to myself. All right, and now I'm gonna I just have this little die cut leaf that I thought would add something fun to this color scheme. I think I'm gonna put it right over there. And then I have these other little extra labels that I can just use to stick right in here, just for a couple extra tuck spots for journaling or whatever, just to add something different. And then I cut out the 2 tags that came with the kit, and I used my happy little, this hole punch, can you see in there? I used that at the top, and then I just sewed some little scraps of lace that I had. Pop those in there. And I have this vellum envelope. I'll try to post the links to where I found these. I'll see if I have that still. And then this is just an avocado little check receipt. And I will put that right in there. So anyway, came together super easy, super fun. So I'll try to post the links below so you can see where everything came from, but it'll give you an idea of maybe what you can do with that fun little kit. So hope you're all doing good, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.